everybody, this is Kelly with Luminary Nail Systems, and I'm so excited to bring you guys this video today featuring our brand new color Aspire and our new Empower Matte Top Coat. So let's get started. So in this video, I am using the Aspire Starter Kit, which will be available as of today, May 1st. It's an absolutely gorgeous nude with 0 pink undertones. We're gonna begin by pushing the cuticle back and applying a really thin layer. I've already applied a really thin base layer underneath this one and cured it for 30 seconds. So we're just gonna lay this down really, really thinly. Make sure that it covers the entire surface. And now we're gonna grab a dollop of gel and just melt that product into the product that is not cured yet. So just like a floating method, back and forth, push that product where it needs to go and just bring it down towards the free edge of the nail. Flip your client's hand upside down just to make sure that the product settles in the center and gives you a really nice arch, and you can move it like I'm doing with the little detail brush here. Turn the hand back upside right, let the product settle for a sec, and then go straight into the light. You can do a flash cure for about 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds, and then move on to the next finger. So I'm putting down a really thin layer again, and then I'm gonna melt that product into this layer. I didn't want to bore you, so I went ahead and did all the other fingers, and now I'm just cleansing them all with 99% isopropyl alcohol. Now we're moving on, and this is a simple, classy, and artistic way to add some serious pop to your gel manicure. And while this product isn't available yet, stay tuned, you guys, because it's coming. So a really thin layer of this new magic gel that we'll be talking about soon. And we're gonna cure that for 60 seconds. And then out of the light, I'm gonna grab some foil and just wrap it around my finger so it forms little crinkles. It doesn't make the foil so perfect. So we're gonna dab that on. Now the really important step here is to use our base gel Clarity to put on top. It's really the way to protect this design. So a thin layer of Clarity, we're gonna cure that for 30 seconds in the light. And now I'm gonna show you guys how I apply crystals. So I'm gonna use a really thin layer of Clarity, again, over top of the Aspire. Just making sure that I completely cover the nail. And we're not going to cure that. So we're gonna go ahead and lay our crystals down exactly where we want them. All right, and once they're perfect, we're gonna put them in the light for 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna take a bit of my Clarity and just put it on a little palette and grab my really thin detail brush. And I'm gonna put some of that Clarity next to the crystals, not on top of them. So why I do this is to encapsulate the sides of the crystals. So say while she's in the shower, her hair is not gonna get caught underneath those crystals. So I'm just gonna move that around the back of the nail, just encapsulating those, the sides of the crystals, not on top. And when you're done with the back of the nail, now you can grab your brush and just pull it down so everything is uniform across the nail. All right, so that thin layer we're gonna cure for 30 seconds. She's out of the light now, so let's go ahead and cleanse them all with 99% isopropyl alcohol. Now for the fun part, matte top coat. And it's so awesome, you guys. I'm so excited about this matte top coat. It's definitely a chalkboard finish. So I will show you how I apply it because I don't really apply it very thin. I'm gonna put down a layer that is fairly thin here. And now you'll see me reach back into that polish bottle and grab like a dollop and sort of just drag it down the nail so it's not really thin. And same here, just a really thin coat first, just covering that entire surface. Dip back in your jar and just feather it out. So I did 2 nails at a time here because I used a lot more top coat than normal. So I flash cured for about 10 seconds in the light. And now I'm moving on to the ring finger, which again, I'm using my brush and going around those crystals with the matte top coat. And then once I reach like the bottom of the crystals, I'm gonna grab my brush here and just bring it towards that free edge. Our matte top coat is a 30-second cure. So what I did after that pinky is I put her 4 fingers in the light and I cured them for 30 seconds. And now we're gonna move on to the thumb because I'm gonna cure that separately. All right, here's the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope you love our new color, Aspire and Empower Matte Top Coat. It is available as of today, May 1st, on our website. Thanks so much, you guys, for watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video, share it with your nail tech friends, subscribe to us, follow us on Instagram, and like us on Facebook.